Hi, how are you? My name is Ariana Pedrosa. I'm located in Boynton Beach, and I'm leaving this review for Mike McGilvery Roofing. Honestly, everything started because we're under contract for a home we're buying from my parents, and we couldn't get insurance because the inspection, the 4-point came out with 0 to 1 useful life. So it was a huge issue. I started contacting at least about 8 different contractors, and Mike was the only one that caught my attention because number one, he gave me an option that I wasn't aware about, which is repair instead of full replacement. So I was very, very excited to hear this. He even took the time to send an email to my insurance guy who was like dead on set that we were not gonna be insured. And now after he mailed it, we have more than 4 quotes from different insurance companies. We're gonna be able to insure the loan and put a roof over my parents. So we are beyond happy. Thank you, Mike, honestly, for your honesty to not push for a full replacement and to let us know that our roof was 90% structurally sound. So thanks, Mike, I appreciate it.